Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Motorola phone if you're going to be reselling it or something if you can't log in. So what you want to do is put it into the recovery mode. So hold down the volume down key and the power key at the same time. So hold both these keys down at the same time. And this phone is a little bit different than the rest of the Android phones. You just have to continue to hold down the volume down and power button. And then it'll launch into this screen. Use the power key and go down to recovery mode. So you can see recovery mode on here. Press the power button. Now if it says no command, this is probably where most people are getting confused. You want to hold down the power button and then press the volume up key. And then here we go. We can use the volume keys to go on down to wipe data and factory reset right there. And this will reset your phone if you forgot the password or something like that. And if it's still not launching into this mode, go to the volume down button, the power key, and when the phone goes black, switch to the volume up key and the power key, and it'll launch into the bootloader. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.